Scheme of amalgamation explain a complete guide. What happens when two companies decide to merge? It is not as simple as shaking hands. A well-structured scheme of amalgamation is essential to ensure a smooth transition, legal compliance, and protection of shareholders' interest. In this video, we will break down everything you need to know about amalgamation and it's a scheme in simple terms. What you will learn in this video, what is amalgamation? Why is the scheme of amalgamation important? Key components of scheme of amalgamation, legal, financial, and taxation aspects, approval process, and regulatory requirements. Watch till the end to learn how amalgamations shape businesses and industries. What is an amalgamation? Amalgamation is the process where two or more companies combine to form a new entity. Companies merge for greater efficiency, financial stability, expansion, or operational benefits. This process involves complex legal and financial planning. Why is it important? A proper scheme of amalgamation ensures that the merger is smooth, legal, and beneficial to all stakeholders. Why a scheme of amalgamation is important? Scheme of amalgamation acts as a legal blueprint for the merger. It ensures legal compliance. It provides a clarity and transparency. It safeguards the stakeholders' interest. It helps in regulatory approvals. It facilitates smooth integration. It clarifies accounting and taxation aspects. The key components of this scheme of amalgamation. A well-drafted scheme must include first title of this scheme. Example, scheme of amalgamation of company A with company B. And then preamble, rationale. Why are the companies are merging? Benefits such as cost reduction, market expansion, financial synergy, and then definitions. Key terms like appointed date, effective date, transferor company, transferee company, shareholders, assets must be clearly defined. Effective date, when the amalgamation will legally take effect. Usually the course order date, there is Honorable NCLT orders the date or upon receiving all approvals. Transfer of assets and liabilities defines which assets and liabilities move to the new entity, ensures a smooth transition of ownership. Contracts and agreements. Existing contracts automatically transfer to the new company. Resolutions passed by the transferor company remain valid. Employee rights. It ensures employees' rights, salaries, and benefits are protected. And come to the tax implications. Treatment of carry forward losses, depreciation, and capital gains. Ensures compliance with Income Tax Act 1961. What happens if approvals are not received? If the required approvals are obtained, then the scheme does not take effect and companies continue to operate separately. Legal actions related to the scheme become void. So this clause ensures protection in case of regulatory or shareholders' objections. Consideration and share exchange ratio. How are the shareholders compensated in the merger? Shares of the transferor company are exchanged for the shares in the transferee company. Valuation report by independent experts ensures fairness. Fractional shares are either rounded up or compensated in cash. And what are the approvals and regulatory compliances? Mandatory approvals are required from the board of directors, shareholders and creditors, stock exchanges, SEBI, RBI if applicable, register of companies, National Company Law Tribunal. See, the companies at 2013 mandates compliance before merger can take effect. The modification and amendments to the schemes, the board of directors can modify the scheme if necessary. Any amendments must be approved by the regulators and shareholders. Dissolution of transferor company. Once the amalgamation is complete, so the transferor company ceases to exist. So this final step ensures legal closure of the merger. So now the conclusion, the final thought. Scheme of amalgamation is backbone of any corporate merger. It ensures legal compliance, protects the shareholders, and provides clarity on asset transfer, employee rights, taxation, and effective date and regulatory approvals. Do you think the amalgamation benefits companies more than individual growth strategies? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more business and corporate finance insights. Thank you.